Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Biology Past Question 5. One example of fossil fuel is A. Limestone, B. Vera, C. Coal, and D. Firewood. Now, what is a fossil fuel? Fossil fuel are natural fuels such as coal and gas. That's the natural gas. When I mean gas, I mean the natural gas like methane, ethane, butane, and propane. Now, these are natural fuels. Coal and gas are natural fuels. Now, they are formed from the remains of living organisms. And that is where the word fossil comes from. They are fuels, but they are fossil fuels because they are formed from what? The remains of living organisms in the geological parts of this organism. In the geological parts. So, fossil fuels are fuels formed from what? Formed from the remains of living organisms, and it includes coals and natural gas. And from the option given to us, we have coal here, and that's be the answer to this question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.